Goodbye, goodbye, see you again. Goodbye, goodbye, my dear friends. Goodbye, goodbye, see you again. Goodbye, goodbye, my dear friends. Goodbye, goodbye, my dear friends. Saying goodbye is not that sad. It is indeed a good start for a new beginning for all of us. Like my friends in school, they are always with me during happy moments or when I am sick. They also help me if I have difficulty with our activities. Additionally, my teacher gives me encouraging words whenever I am about to stop doing my task in writing, patiently teaching and waiting for me to finish my activity. With this, I like to understand and finish my task, which is why I found math to be my favorite subject, because I learned many things while we were having our lessons. My unforgettable moment was when we were playing in the playground and learning inside the classroom, freezing while reading and walking like a soldier to memorize which is our left foot and right foot. I want to say thank you to my parents and Lola for the things they have done for me. To Teacher Marie, Marielle, thank you for providing us a quality education. We are truly grateful. And to my classmates and schoolmates, study well and always wear a smile on your face. A pleasant day, everyone. I am Keisha Yana D. L. Enriquez, a kinder completer.